builds white label products for insurance. In short, they develop new digital insurance offerings that are then marketed by their insurance and non-insurance partners under their own brand. Their fast product development allows for a very short go-to-market, enabling their partners to almost instantly react to market developments. They strongly believe that collaboration will be the key to the future of an insurance industry and build contextual ecosystems for insurers and enterprises alike. At DIA Primetime, they will show how partnerships between automotive original equipment manufacturers and Insurtechs shape the future of the mobility sector. Now on DIA Primetime, Element.
Hi Christian, great to have you here at DIA Primetime. Can you tell us in one sentence what Element is all about?
Hello, and thanks a lot. Yes, Element is a technology company, but we are having our own full P&C carrier license. What does that mean? We provide end-to-end insurance solutions to our partners ranging from all kinds of industries, being it distributors, being it platforms, or being it insurers themselves.
I like how you present Element as a tech company with an insurance license. It sounds like you have a different approach to insurance. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Yes, absolutely. And give me a minute for a bit of a longer answer on that. If you look at the industry in Europe, you see a highly fragmented market. In Germany alone, we have more than 200 players having a P&C license. France is the same, Spain even more. And all of these mostly small players still have, out of legacy reasons, their own IT. The reason for that is being different tax regimes or being at a high regulatory governance system. So concluding out of that, the industry, or the majority of the industry, lives on legacy IT. And this is exactly where we focus on. We provide the modern insurance technology that is needed to deliver modern insurance and products. And as we have our own license, we can provide this service not only to insurance companies, but also to distributors or to other players, platforms, large corporates out there in the market. And we have a couple of examples we are very happy to share.
Great. Can you give us an example of how this works in practice?
Yes, of course. Let's use Intech as an example. It's our partner since about mid last year, and they provide warranty extensions for used cars. Thanks to Mr. Akerlof, we all know that selling used cars is a tricky business, and guarantees or insurances are a valid and established solution to be perhaps the decisive factor between buying a used car and not buying a used car. And as a used car dealer, of course, you have the intention to sell a used car. So what did we do? We fully integrated with Intech. We are the risk carrier. We developed the products with them, and we integrated even fully in the value chain of Intech. We utilize their 40 years of experience, especially on the data side, when it comes to which car model has what kind of problems at what kind of mileage, depending on drivers and whatever other risk parameters. You determine for the price. And that partnership, I think, is an ideal example for how Element provides insurance solutions to a partner who does the distribution, but also creates value by having a data knowledge, especially about the customers or the insured objects.
I wouldn't expect differently from a tech company. Can you show us how your platform works?
So here you see the classical landing page. It's all done in the CI of the partner. And now let's calculate the cost for a warranty extension for a used car. There are some specifics in Germany. So instead of going through all the models and the OEM, we have the specific numbers which can identify a car, and everybody has that in their documents, and people are aware of that information. So let me quickly go in here, and now you have the first link, both with our system, but also more importantly with the system of our partners, and that identifies the unique model and that is behind these numbers. So I can confirm this, go further. Now a few questions are asked. What do I consider important when it comes to insuring my car? Let me quickly just randomly take whatever we have here, go through. Yeah, it's basically about the oil pump and air condition and about your motor and stuff like that. So now, again, we connect directly with our pricing engine, plus the data of our partner when it comes to the specific variants that just have been chosen, the data of the partner that gives us the input, and then we calculate as insurer-hosted pricing. So we then suggest one of the products. You see there are quite a few options for the customer. Let me go through here with one. Yeah, and then I have to type in a bit more information, of course, mainly when the car first hit the road, and then how the mileage, kilometers behind that. And now, this is now again where we are highly integrated in it. We get an immediate real-time confirmation or the confirmation of the contract, and you see here all the information that is needed. You see all the documents that have to be provided legally, and they are of course all individualized, and they're all provided in real time. Let me quickly click a few buttons here, and I of course want advertisement, and I've read everything, and I also confirm that I didn't tweak my car outside the normal. And you go to payment. Again, everything done by us, by Element, for the partner. So no need for any payment solution on the partner side. Leaning on our API and service structures, we allow partners to sell insurance products within days, fully digital, and also, of course, fully compliant. On top, we provide all services related to insurances, being it claims data exchange, being it the handling of contract changes, all done fully automatic. But where there might be a difference, as I said before, we fragment the value chain. So we allow also our partners to take part of that value chain, being it that an insurer wants to carry the risk via reinsurance structure, being it via an MGA or a service provider like Intech, as we have seen, who will take care of part of the claims handling.
That's very comprehensive. To wrap up, can you summarize the key benefits of using Element?
The example given with Intech is, of course, rather specific, but our approach allows all companies to enter the insurance industry. That means that the future of insurance is not limited to insurers or intermediaries and a few collaborations anymore. With our approach and our platform solution, every partner can offer risk-limiting services to their customers and increase either their share of wallet or offer solutions to their customers that will help them to improve their core product offering. This way, the insurance industry becomes contextual. Products will be sold contextually. Cyber covers for mobile users directly on the mobile phone, as we have done with Vodafone. Mobile mobility solutions with car manufacturers, home content insurance by the providers of flats, real estate companies. The opportunities and possibilities are enormous and limitless. And that's not just a vision for the distant future. All these products I was just talking about are live already now and can be adopted or newly created for any partner interested out there. So if you want to shape the future of the insurance industry and perhaps not being an insurance company, I'm very happy to talk to you in the next couple of days and weeks. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Christian.